This is Sai Hema studying first year MBA in Savita School of Management. I am here to give you all a quick brief regarding some of the major news of this week. Now let's get into the headlines and followed by briefing of each. L&T backs an order for solar power project in Saudi Arabia. JSW Sports set to monitor startups with a new tie-up. DOT notice to VI over Q4 license fee default. Tesla to drive into India set up shops in 3 different cities. And the last and final news, that is nothing but it is about the COVID vaccination soon to be available at workplace. Now when we come to the briefing, L&T's power transmission and distribution business has bagged a new order recently regarding the solar power plant of 1.5 gigawatts in Riyadh province of Saudi Arabia. The company didn't disclose the exact value of the contract, but it has stated that the value ranges between 5,000 crores to 7,000 crores, and it has also signed an agreement called Power Purchase Agreement, which makes us think that this solar power plant will be one of the largest power plants in the world, and it is the most largest power plant in Saudi Arabia. The next news is about JSW Sports. The JSW Sports, the sports wing of $13 billion JSW Group conglomerate, has stated on 9th April 2021, that is the last Friday, that it has partnered with India Accelerator in order to monitor startups in the sports arena. With this widespread integration of new age technology, the number of tech startups has been increasing at a fast pace. The next news is about the DOT's notice to VI. Vodafone Idea has received a show cause notice from Department of Telecommunications for the non-payment of spectrum and license fee for the last quarter of financial year 2021. The telco has not paid the license fee for 7 major circles, which includes Jammu Kashmir, Gujarat, Bihar, Maharashtra, UP East, Odisha and Kerala, which has to be paid on or before 25th March, but the company didn't. But some of the close sources of the company states that the payments has been done and payments due, if any, will be completed within the stipulated time. So the next is about the Tesla's entry into India. The world's most valuable company at present, Tesla, is most likely to enter into India. The company's CEO Elon Musk has made a tweet regarding this in the last October 2020 that the company will be entering into India. It is getting onto wheels as the company now looking for commercial properties as large as 20,000 and 30,000 square feet to open showrooms and service center in 3 major cities of India, that is New Delhi, Bengaluru and Mumbai. The company regarding this has hired global property consultant CBRE Group in search of properties. It also hired Mr. Manoj Khurana, the former executive of Invest India, to govern its developmental activities and policies. The electric car maker in January 2021 registered a local company in India, and from this company we can expect the import and sale of Model 3 sedan as early as possible, most likely in the mid-2021. And the final update is regarding the vaccination to be available at the workplaces. The government on Wednesday has finalized that it should make the vaccination available at all the public and private sector offices which have at least 100 beneficiaries who are willing to take the vaccine, and their age should be above 45 years. So regarding this, the Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan, through a letter, guided all the state authorities to start initiations so that the workplace vaccination centers can be started from 11th April with a stipulated condition that only employees, no other outsiders or family members will be allowed to take the vaccine at these places. So that's all for now. This is Sai Hema signing off. Thank you.